Next topic is advantages of additive manufacturing. What are the some important advantages regarding the additive manufacturing technology? One by one here we have to discuss. The first one is design complexity and freedom. It means what? The complicated designs will be easily selected and they will be freely designed, like contour parts and hollow parts, which are very difficult in a conventional methods, but in additive manufacturing technology it will be easily available. Second one, speed, as complicated parts will be produced in a rapid way. There is no much more time required for preparing such kind of complicated parts. So that's why this is called as a rapid technology or rapid prototyping. Third one, customize. Customize means what? Personalize. Personalize the product. Personalized products means what? Depending upon the customer requirement, we have to prepare the product. Depending upon the requirement, we have to personalize that particular product. So that is called as a customization. Next one is toolless. As we know that this additive manufacturing technology is there, this will be preparing a product by layer addition of the material, where there is no requirement of the tool. There is a complete absence of tool production. Next one is extreme lightweight design. As we know that additive manufacturing technology uses some techniques, by using that it will be preparing very lightweight designs. So those techniques sometimes called as topological optimization. Next one, sustainable and environmental friendly. As we know that additive manufacturing technology cannot use a solid part like conventional method. It will be using a powder form. It will be added in a layer by layer methods, due to which it will be using very less amount of, it will be producing very less amount of waste. That's why this is called as an environment friendly technique. Next one, no storage cost. As 3D printers can print a products as when needed and does not cost more than a mass manufacturing. No expense on storage of goods is required. It means what? As depending upon the requirement, it will be go for the production, it will be go for the printing. So there is no mass production and storage of the products, which will be done in a conventional methods. Next one, increase employment opportunities. So widespread use of 3D printing technology will increase the demand for the designers and technicians to operate the 3D printers and create a blueprints for the products. As this will be 3D printing technology nowadays what widely used, which will be creating a more employment opportunities, like operators and blueprint creators for the products.